Hello and welcome back to AutoMobility Store's YouTube channel. In today's video, I might start a segment with this as far as different categories, but today I'm starting with travel scooters, and these are the ones that, to me, in my experience, get the highest customer satisfaction, and it's one that I would recommend for you. I go based on, customer satisfaction, affordability, reliability, and whether or not the scooter is what we call a boomerang, which means we get a lot of returns. We send it out, it comes flying right back in. So the two that I picked, but it's based on the Pride Go-Go Sport line, and as you know, they have a 3 and a 4 wheel. So for the highest customer satisfaction travel scooter, S74, S73 Pride Go-Go Sport 3 and 4 wheel model. I want to start with the customer satisfaction end of it. So let's take a look here. I want to just show you some reviews, and you can go anywhere to find reviews, but this is from Amazon, and this is just random listings, from these scooters of reviews that I have found. So let's take a look here. All right, here's the S74. Plenty of 5 stars. So how easy it is to put together and take apart. It's the great thing about this. Breaks down, you can put it in a trunk. So glad I bought this scooter. Great scooter, good looking, easy to operate, and fun. 5 stars. I mean, you can find these all over the place with this. That was the S74 model. So let me show you. I've got some reviews here for the S73, and it's going to be pretty much the same thing. So good design, of course. My husband loves it. The scooter has given my husband more freedom, and that's why I'm in this business, giving you your mobility back. Much easier to put together than anticipated. This is great for me, a bilateral below the knee amputee, which really works in those situations. Worth the money, very sturdy, easy to put together. You'll keep seeing reviews like this. So going into affordability and reliability, I'm just going to show you our website, AutoMobilityStore.com, just showing what the base price is, and go over the warranties and stuff, just to show you the affordability and the reliability. So let's take a look. All right, starting with the Go-Go Sport 4-wheel. We even label it as bestseller because it is. Right now only at $17.19, and now this S74 has the easy turn technology, so something new they added. You get 2 years on the electronics, 2 years on the drivetrain, 6 months on the batteries, which is pretty standard, and Pride gives you that wonderful in-home labor warranty for a year. So we're going to go back into the 3-wheel now. $15.72. Can't beat it. Same with the warranty. That 1 year in-home labor warranty is an amazing thing. They basically will dispatch a technician directly to you. The dispatch is free. Any labor charge is covered, and then the parts are covered. And then, after that first year, you still have another year on your electronics and drivetrain. You just would be responsible, for labor, but depending on who you go to, prices aren't too bad depending on what kind of work it needs. So yeah, this is what I believe is the travel scooters that have the highest customer satisfaction. Very affordable, very reliable, and again, they're not boomerangs. So if you have any questions on any kind of travel scooter, give AutoMobility Store a call at 800-431-3183.